All right, everybody, so today we're going to be changing. This is a front motor mount, engine motor mount. I'm sorry, is that a transmission motor mount? Oh well, it's this one up here. This is it. All right, so first of all, put something on your wheels so they don't roll back like a rock or whatever you want. After that, I had to get this little jack because this one was too tall. Jack this one up, put my car up a little bit so I could fit the big boy one. Put a piece of wood under the engine in between so I can push the engine up. And after that, we come up here. You're gonna have to use this bolt right here and this other bolt that moves. Those are 17 millimeters. And you're gonna need some really big boy wrenches right here, 1/2 inch drive, because a 1/4 inch might break. So here I already loosened the top one. My engine is up. That way I can take this off and have some support. Right now I'm taking off the bottom one. So I have a 17 on here, 17 over here to protect my fan, protect my radiator a little bit, put something here. I'll show you guys when it's out. All right, so here we are. Take the bolts out. Put the bolts like this. That's the top one, that's the bottom one. Over here, this one has a washer in between. The bottom one does not, just in case you take them off and you think that you lost one here. Never had one. Well, let's see how we take this. Easy. See how easy that is? Let's compare them real quick. This is sagging, so let's change that out. All right, so here it goes. It is in. It is in. It's in. Make sure you use your jack to raise the engine, lower the engine. My suggestion is that you put the bottom bolts in first, not the top ones. Don't ask me how I know this, but I have to go through trial and error so I can teach you guys how to do it right the first time. That's it. That's pretty secure. I do not know the torque on it. Neither am I worried. Just as long as it's real tight in there. Now let's try to change the side mounts. This one right here, the one on that side.